for reconciliation purpose. So now you can
So
run the.
you can define which default account it should account to when you run the create accounting.
No. See, it's based on your accounting rule and whatever setup you did for your liability account and expense account.
Okay.
You don't need to provide any account during this program, create accounting. Okay, so you run validation program, create accounting, then you can run the exception report. So exception report should be blank. Okay. Then only you can able to close the period. So before closing the period, you can reconcile. I have 100 transactions I created. 100 transaction in AP. What is reconciliation? I have 100 transaction in AP, right? And before closing, I should be ensure that these 100 transactions be available in GL also, right? If I have 1 lakh in AP, if I'm creating accounting and posting to GL, the same 1 lakh should be available in GL. How can I ensure that everything is done before create accounting? Sorry, before closing the period. So Oracle has provided another program. This program name is reconciliation payable to ledger reconciliation. Okay, if you run this, payable to ledger reconciliation. Similarly, for AR also it is available. So here you have to select your ledger for which ledger you want to do. For data, so this request name and it will come from before running this program payable to reconciliation report. First, you have to prepare data for which particular month you want to prepare your reconciliation data. So that program is called extract the reconciliation data for your AP. So what I can do, I can go to tools, schedule process. Reconciliation. Prepare payable to general ledger reconciliation. It will prepare the data for you to reconcile the transactions. This is the first program. Data March 24. See, for example, for Tata, I have many business unit, but for which business unit you want? Accounting period March. For the month of March, I want to prepare data. Intercompany transactions, whether you want to, if you want to include or don't want to include. I'll keep it blank. Include bill. So any specific account you want to reconcile? No, I want to reconcile all the accounts which I transfer to GL. That should be available in GL. It's a very useful report for reconciliation. Quickly, it will show you how many transactions as error are not posted or why it is creating reconciliation difference. Okay. Once you run this program, then you can run that other program, the second program. Tata March 24. Tata primary ledger. So you can see here what it report means. Payable amount. Payable amount means what my transactions amount in payable module. Accounting amount means if it is accounted and posted to GL, the amount should be same. Like payable beginning balance, I had 100 rupees. In GL also 100 rupees. So difference is 0. My invoice amount is 36,022. And my accounted amount means which I transfer to GL and posted. So that is also same amount. So there is no differences, right? Prepayment also 2000 and I posted to GL. So there is no variance. Okay. So because
So if
of
there
that,
are variances, you'll solve them and try to create accounting again. And
so if there is any variances, you will get one hyperlink here. Just
it'll take you to the difference.
Take it to the particular
Okay.
error where which invoice I have variance or which payment I have variance or not posted. So you can solve the issue. In this way, you can do the reconciliation. Just you need to run these two programs. No need to. And from GL side, we have also trial balance report, account analysis report. But I think this program was not available in EBS.
Yeah, I don't think so. Account analysis report was there for reconciliation. That usually is customized.
In this way, you can do the reconciliation. Similar program available for AR also. Okay, so now you can able to close the period. I don't think you will get any error for AP close. Payable transactions. Manage accounting period. Data peak forest. Okay. March period is open. Close the period. Still, I am getting some warning. That means if some ये छाड़ देगा ला. So I'm getting some error. Error means warning. That means some hold still available. Looks like. Acha, unconfirmed payment batch. So this payment batch which is unconfirmed, I need to confirm that payment batch. Then only I can able to close the period. One exception still exists. So you can go to payment. And you can see manage payment process request. What is my unconfirmed payment batch data? Some validation, that's fine. Terminated if it is fine. But if it is unconfirmed, means this one, this is file is confirmed, completed.
What is confirmed?
Confirmed means if you send the file to bank, whether it's a wire payment or electronic payment, and bank will send you an acknowledgement that we received the payment and we have credited to your supplier. So once you get that acknowledgement, the AP user, what it will do, come here and they will manually confirm the payment.
Okay.
They will go to action and then you'll get a confirm. This already it is confirmed. The payment is completed, terminated. What is unconfirmed? Till now, I'm not able to see here. AP. Okay. But the report is telling, exception is telling, still there is one unconfirmed payment is available. Once you clear that, then you will be able to close the period.
It will not provide you the document number for the unconfirmed payment.
Yeah, but exception report, it did not show me any unconfirmed, right?
Yeah, it just said unconfirmed payments.
Managed accounting period. Maybe period will be closed, even if it is unconfirmed, period should be closed. Let me check. Startup primarily. No. Strategy is open. Let me close again. Oh, execution report also I can get now. Yeah. That execution report, let me see. Yeah, here I'm getting one. Acha, okay. There is one unaccounted invoice still available. And outstanding payment process request is available. One. So maybe
The
because of,
reconciliation looked fine, right? So the reconciliation that we did at the end.
see, reconciliation and it will show only for the accounted transactions.
Okay.
So this unaccounted transactions still available for invoice. So I have to run the accounting process again.
Did it give you the invoice number?
Yeah, it should show. Yeah, it should show the invoice number also.
Okay, the 14. Okay.
Invoice amount.
120. Test invoice 120.
Let me check what is the issue with this invoice. Acha, it's require validation because it was on hold, na? So
Revalidation.
because of that, it was not validated. Okay.
So this was
total
hold for three-way match, right?
Invoice distribution does not equal to the invoice amount. That means distribution detail.
Yeah, this is a common issue.
Common error. Yeah. So you can just go and correct the hold.
Or you can manually remove the hold.
Yeah. You cannot because it's a system generated hold.
Amounts don't match. Okay.
So either you have to correct the amount or you have to cancel the invoice.
Yeah. because of that hold, we are not able to validate the invoice. Yeah. This invoice amount
is it in the distribution details? Can you update the amounts in distribution? I don't think at this point, right? Or
let me check. Yeah. Oh, distribution combination itself not available.
okay.
Now let me manually validate. Yeah. So because of this, because distribution combination was not given, because of that it was giving me that error. So now I can create accounting for this.
So now you have to do all the 4 processes that.
No, I can just, it's validated manually, right? I just run the validation here. And I can post to ledger here.
Okay.
The accounting created, perfect. Let me close the period again. Maybe I will get that payment error. Yes, still that is not resolved. But this unaccounted invoice, almost I have created. So that should not be an issue now. Close period. Still, I think that payment is still not cleared. We need to check.
Something to do with the amounts, maybe.
The invoice accounting is done, so that error will not get, I think now. See that accounted invoice is
Okay.
not done. But that outstanding payment process request, maybe some payment process request has been created, but it is not initiated. That we need to check.
Can we see the details in the below?
Okay. This one, I think.
Pending action by now.
Incomplete, yeah. Oh, what is this? I don't know. Some payment process request they have created.
By Anaga, maybe. Yeah.
So if I go there, select this request. Yeah, pending action to complete informations. This is creating problem. Who has created? I'm not sure. Because they have not given all these details. Payment document, profile, how it will be processed without complete information. Cannot do that, right? So what I can do, let me try to cancel this, terminate.
Oh, there's so many payment business units in this one.
This is different, not belongs to Tata, I think.
Okay.
I terminated that.
But we are running for Tata only, right?
Yeah.
How did this come into Tata? Or is there Tata in this one?
Maybe what happens?
Comes to Tata.
Yeah, some document they selected from Tata also. Because if the criteria is same, because business unit not the only criteria, right? There can be if payment method is same. For example, check. They have selected some invoice for Tata for payment. So I terminated. Now it will be closed. That was so. In this way there will be lot of error you will get.
Yeah.
In period close, because there are thousands of transactions, right? Now I think I'm pretty sure it should be closed now. Terminating.
Leftmost, I think. March, it says March. Oh, it's manage.
Yeah,
See.
looks like it's closed.
Yeah, closed. Now March period is closed. Then you can open the April period. Yeah, so you can wind up the session for today.
Okay.
Maybe we can start here receivable, account receivable next class.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you.
Yeah, thanks. Bye.
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 बाबा दाल ही बराठा है